Hello, training managers. Dawn Lang here with your tip of the day. Did you know that you can invite me or another Langevin facilitator to train one of our workshops exclusively with your training department, virtually or on-site? There are many benefits to an exclusive workshop, including the customization we can do to ensure the experience matches the needs of your group. In order to provide such an exclusive experience, I'll interview you before the workshop to ensure we are in alignment. You'll want to be prepared to answer these questions. First, why did you choose the workshop you did? This gives me an idea of the motivation level of the group you're inviting to the training. Next, if I'm coming on site, I'll check to see if you can accommodate the classroom layout we suggest. This setup will help me facilitate a hands-on, performance-based experience that includes lots of small group work. Most importantly, I'll ask you how soon your group will be able to implement their new knowledge and skills. This will guarantee a positive return on your investment. Be prepared to answer these questions so that we can set up your group to apply all the new tips, techniques, and strategies they learned and practiced in the workshop. And that's my tip of the day.